Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your orders on the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. And you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the SHEIN app. Here it opens up in the shop menu, but we have to go into the Me menu. Here in the Me menu, there's a row of of things that relate to my orders, and if we tap on View All here, we can check all of them. Here there's all of your orders in this tab, but if you tap on and scroll through these, you can check all of the other kinds of orders, like for example your unpaid orders or orders that are under processing or being shipped or already shipped or under review, and also you can check your returns too. So in the Me menu, top row, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.